thin ass solder still.
Shit ass Chicago Electric. Some bitch. And it's low-key all hard doing this shit all faded, you know? Fuck. I'm already blind, dog. I can't see, bro. I'm fucked. Alright, dog. I'm gonna need your help, bro, for real.
Let me hold that bitch.
Just hold the trigger on this hoe. Damn, bro. I'm all shaky. Does solder give you cancer?
No idea.
Probably.
Hopefully not.
Most likely. I need to throw more flux, dog, so it could flow right, dog. God damn it. I might have fucked up. Oh, there we go. Hell yeah, baby. Hell yeah. Woo!
Oh, no way.
Woo! I got it. Fuck yeah. Get the fuck out of my face.